When you recorded a video and you're looking for a great place to host it so that you can share it with other people, YouTube can be fantastic for that. And so this is how to upload a video into a YouTube account so that you can share it with other people. So I've created a YouTube account here, and I'm just going to go to your videos. When I click on that, it opens up this page where I've got a number of my different videos posted. I'm just going to go up here to create. I'm going to upload a video, and I'm just going to drag and drop the video I want to upload into YouTube. And boom, I'm just going to move that title over to the description. Thumbnails are sometimes fantastic. Well, they're always fantastic, frankly. I'm just going to click on auto generate for now. You might want to upload something. It's always good practice to select a thumbnail. Sometimes you'll use an AI generator to generate an AI image and then upload that image. So any way you want to do it, it's a fantastic tool. Test and compare here, but it's great to select your thumbnail. Sometimes you'll have different playlists. In this case, I'm just going to leave it blank. No, it's not made for kids. There's no paid endorsement. Makes a real person appear to do something they didn't. No. So all this is no. And yeah, so some tags in there. I'm not really worried about much of this other stuff. But there you can see what my basic settings are. I'm just going to slide over to next. Here, I'm not really worried about any of these right now. You can add those things on as you become more sophisticated with YouTube. I just want to basically use YouTube as a host for my videos. So I'm just going to select next again. No copyright issues found. Fantastic. Here is when you're sharing this video. This is a really important part to understand. Private means nobody can see the video without your permission. Now, if you're sharing this with friends or if you're submitting this video as an assignment, this is not what you want to select. You might choose to select instead unlisted. Unlisted basically means you can see there. Anyone with the video link can watch your video. So if you're submitting this video in as a part of an assignment, perfect way of submitting it. Now the instructor can see the video, see the content. Super. Public means that anyone who finds your channel can watch this video. Sometimes I like to think that it's really a good idea to develop a portfolio of work done. And so your YouTube channel might be part of that portfolio of work done and might demonstrate some of the great things you've done. And so you might want to have this video be public. But for our purposes, I'll just leave it as unlisted. I'll scroll down, and that's really about it. Now, if I want the link, I could just copy here. And if I'm submitting this in for an assignment or sharing this with a friend, that's really the link I'm going to share. I'll just hit save, and we are done. Here's the link again. But basically, that's it.